In this video, I'm going to show you how to design a jersey on Canva. So the first thing you can do is you can head over and search for templates for jersey. You can see right here some mockups. So head over and then just choose the one that you want. I'll head over and choose right here this one and customize this template. Once you have clicked on that, you can see each jersey right here. As you can see, you can find some elements are actually editable. So you can head over and edit at your liking. So for example, let's head over and input right here our actual details that we want added. So you can edit it. You can change the number as well as the name or the surname that's right here. You can also change the logo based on the one you want. So for example, let's change it to a volleyball logo. So you can just input that, remove the previous one, and then resize it to your liking. So you can actually edit also the color of this element. You can input this like this, and you can also change the color of the actual jersey. Right now it's red. Let's head over and make this a different color, like for example, blue. And then apply it as well to the other or to the back side of the jersey. As you can see, here is now our newly created jersey. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.